Hello, my name is Dominic and today we are going to be looking at the INSTOP button on an LG service remote control. So this is my 6th video in the LG service remote playlist of videos. I have done other videos about this remote control. I have done how to use the LG service remote control in a video titled LG service remote control rules. I would suggest you check this video out before continuing with this video. The INSTOP button on the LG service remote control follows the first rule of the LG service remote control rules, and that is that the password is 0413. So if I press the INSTOP button, I will be presented with a window where I must enter the password. The second and third rule do not apply in this case, but the fourth rule will be automatically executed by the INSTOP button, as you will see later on in this video. So what does the INSTOP button do? Well, the INSTOP button is a glorified factory reset button in that it just wipes everything out from your TV and restores it to its factory settings. This is the normal factory reset on any LG TV. You press menu, you go to option, then you have factory reset over there. So that's the normal way. But if you want to do it faster, you just press the INSTOP button and enter the password. This is a satellite channel on my TV. So if I were to do INSTOP to this TV, everything will go away. Every channel, every setting that I have will be wiped clean. So why use the INSTOP button? Well, we use the INSTOP button when the TV is a little bit slow, especially for smart TVs, or maybe the user has interfered with so many settings on the television that it's hard to go one by one rectifying them. You just do an INSTOP, and this is how the INSTOP works. Just press INSTOP, enter the password 0413, and you'll get that message. So do not unplug the TV during this process. The TV actually shuts itself down and you will need to power it on again. I have just done an INSTOP and all it did is it did a factory reset on my television. So I'm just going to select the settings, home use, okay. I will select satellite because I don't have my antenna hooked on right now, but it will take a lot of time to do that. Let me check the picture settings. It has gone to eco with energy saving minimum. The backlight settings have also changed. Let me go to cinema. I had changed this to 80 something, but now it's at 80. So I have done a full factory reset on this television. So let me go to HDMI real quick. Even though I have just done an INSTOP or a factory reset on this television, there is one thing that has not changed, and I believe you saw it, and that is the startup logo. My custom startup logo is still intact. There it is. Now let us go to the insert menu of this television and see if anything else has changed. Insert, password is 0413. And right away we can see that the total usage time has also been reset to 0. The model number and the serial number have not changed. Nothing has changed, but the total usage time has been reset to 0. The total usage time is like the mileage of your TV, and it's measured in hours. If you watched the video that I told you to watch earlier, you would have noticed that I had a value over here. Let me check the power off status. And here we can see power off by INSTOP. This is the factory reset that we did. And this power off by remote key are the ones that I did to show you the cut on my startup logo. So if we had done this INSTOP on a smart television, every application that the customer had installed will be deleted. Only the applications that came from the factory will remain. Any accounts that the user had on the television will be deleted. For example, YouTube accounts. Everything will be deleted. and the user will need to scan for channels again, download the applications again, and enter his accounts again. I still have a few more videos to do on the LG factory service remote control. I hope you will watch them, and I hope you will learn something new. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.